Welcome to AirDroid Business Tutorials. In this video, we will guide you through the process of uploading company-owned applications to your remote devices. Let's dive in. From the admin console, select Apps. Click on App Library. And then choose Organization App Library. Now, it's time to upload your APK files. You can either drag and drop your APK files to upload, or click to upload. It's as simple as that. Okay, you've successfully uploaded your apps. Next, all you need to do is to complete the app's details, conduct a test release, and then proceed with a formal release. Once these steps are completed, you can easily push your app to your device. That's all for today's guide. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.